Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to quickly redial recently dialed phone number without using call or contact list in iPhone. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just click on the phone icon. And now below you will see here calls, contacts. So we are not going to use this call list, neither we'll use this contacts. So here we'll use only the dial pad. So say let me try to dial one number and let me try to make a phone call. Let me cancel it. Now, in order to quickly redial the recently dialed phone number, what you need to do is just tap and hold on this button. So now you can see on the above, the recently dialed phone number is showing up. Now, once again, just click once on this dial button, then it will redial it. So by using these cool tricks, you can quickly redial recently dialed phone number without using call or contact list in iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.